eyebrow, nose, hair, eye, ear, mouth, leg, teeth, arm, tongue, hand, foot, chest, ear, eye, nose, tooth, mouth, neck, chest, arm, hip, hand, leg, knee, foot, toe, hair, head, shoulder, back, elbow, waist, bottom, finger, ankle, heel, ear, eye, nose, tooth, mouth, neck, chest, arm, hip, hand, leg, knee, foot, toe, hair, head, shoulder, back, elbow, waist, bottom, finger, ankle, heel, shirt, S-H-I-R-T, shirt, trousers, T-R-O-U-S-E-R-S, trousers, shorts, S-H-O-R-T-S, shorts, t-shirt, T-S-H-I-R-T, t-shirt, jeans, J-E-A-N-S, jeans, jacket, J-A-C-K-E-T, jacket, sweater, S-W-E-A-T-E-R, sweater, night dress, N-I-G-H-T, night, D-R-E-S-S, dress, night dress, cap, C-A-P, cap, socks, S-O-C-K K S socks. Shoes. S H O E S shoes. Slippers. S L I P P E R S slippers. Belt. B E L T belt. Spectacles. S P E C T A C L E S spectacles. Watch. W A T C H watch. Dress. D R E S S dress. Skirt. S K I R T skirt. Top. T O P top. Uniform. U N I F O R M uniform. Raincoat. R A I N C O A T raincoat. Hat. H A T hat. Sandals. S A N D A L S sandals. Sunglasses. S U N G L A S S E S sunglasses. Scarf. S C A R F scarf. Necklace. N E C K L A C E necklace. चलिए अब देखते हैं इस लड़की ने क्या क्या पहना है। ग्लासेस यानी स्पेक्टिकल्स, टी शर्ट, ब्रेसलेट, बैग, स्कर्ट और सॉक। चलिए अब देखते हैं इस लड़के ने क्या क्या पहना है। कैप, शर्ट, बेल्ट, थर्मस, वॉच, शॉर्ट्स और शूज। A N an, A T at, A S as, A M am, B E B, B Y by, D O do, G O go, H E he, H I hi, I F if. I-N, in. I-S, is. I-T, it. M-E, me. M-Y, my. N-O, no. O-F, off. O-R, or. O-N, on. S-O, so. T-O, to. U-S, us. U-P, up. W-E, we.